I'm gonna do an unboxing or an unbagging video of Wade's new glasses. All right, whenever you cut a package, you wanna make sure you're not cutting whatever's inside. So I tilt it up, let everything fall down. Ooh, 2 different colored cases. This one is quite plump. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, wow, okay, that was hard. Ooh, these are the sunglasses. Nice color. Oh, these are the magnet. Well, let's see first. Oh, I'm confused. So this is the cloth, very pretty, to clean your glasses. These are a regular set, very nice. Slight green or teal tint, beautiful. And, oh, right, okay, interesting. It looks like there's 2 magnets for sunglasses. Yeah, 2 separate ones. I guess if you lose it, and then it just, I'll show you how it works. I don't really know. I will explore how it works. It would be more accurate. I think you're supposed to remove these little plastic things. Instructions, please remove me. So, and they just clip right on. Neat, very nice. We'll see how they fit when Wade gets them, but that looks successful so far. Okay, we'll wrap this up so it doesn't get hurt. Put it all back in this very large glasses case. Now for the red case. Ooh, here's the secret prize. I think it may need batteries. Twisting it. It's a little light. I may know why it was a free prize, but free gift. Use the enclosed blue light laser pointer to see how blocks blue light. Oh, so it's an experiment. It's not just a free gift, it's an experiment. Save that fun activity for later. Let's look what these glasses are like. Another pretty reversible cloth. Ooh, look, that is nice. Very attractive. These are slightly different. They're nice. They're clear and they have a gold metal arm. Very nice. We have to see them on your face, Wade. Yay!